Hello and welcome to Science Vault. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence doesn't just change the way we live, but changes who we are. We're standing on the edge of a new era where AI could reshape the very evolution of humanity itself. In today's video, we'll explore how AI is impacting human evolution, transforming the way we think, work, and even how we interact with the world. From brain-computer interfaces to enhancing human cognition, and even exploring the future of immortality, this is a journey you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. To start, let's define what artificial intelligence, or AI, truly is. AI is more than just a buzzword. It refers to systems designed to perform tasks that traditionally require human intelligence. These tasks include things like understanding language, making decisions, or even recognizing patterns. You've probably encountered AI in your day-to-day life already, whether it's through the voice assistant on your phone, or the algorithms recommending movies or products you might like. But what sets AI apart from traditional computer programs is its ability to learn. Through machine learning, AI systems can process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and adjust their operations based on new information. This ability to learn is what gives AI the potential to do much more than just follow instructions. It could eventually evolve and make decisions that humans might not even predict. Let's explore how this capability is already starting to influence human evolution. Imagine AI programs that not only perform tasks, but also improve our decision-making, boost our creativity, and extend our cognitive abilities. This is where the intersection of AI and human evolution begins. AI's impact on human evolution isn't just about technological advancements. It's about how it fundamentally changes the way we think and interact with the world. For centuries, human evolution was a biological process, driven by natural selection and adaptation to environmental changes. But now, AI is becoming a part of that evolution, adding a new dimension to how we develop as a species. One of the ways AI is influencing our evolution is through its integration with our brains. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, for example, are already being developed to help people with disabilities control devices using only their thoughts. These systems are able to decode brain signals and translate them into commands that machines can understand. Imagine a world where BCIs could not only help the disabled, but also enhance the capabilities of healthy individuals. We're talking about the possibility of superhuman abilities like increased memory retention, improved decision-making, or even faster cognitive processing. This wouldn't just be an enhancement of the physical body, it would be an enhancement of the human mind itself, helping us tap into potential that we've never before realized. But AI's potential for human enhancement goes beyond just cognitive abilities. As AI continues to advance, we might see the development of AI-powered prosthetics, robots, and exoskeletons that could greatly enhance human physical abilities. Picture this: people with enhanced physical strength or abilities far beyond what our natural biology allows. This could truly blur the lines between biology and technology, pushing human capabilities to new limits. So, what does the future hold for humanity as AI continues to evolve? Well, AI could play an absolutely crucial role in our future, not just on Earth, but beyond. In the next few decades, AI will be key to the survival of humanity as we venture into space. Imagine AI systems that can navigate spacecraft, detect life-sustaining planets, and even provide solutions to the challenges of long-term space travel. Think about the possibility of living on Mars. AI would need to help us sustain life on an entirely different planet. From regulating air and water supplies to monitoring habitats and ensuring human safety in a harsh environment, AI will be critical to ensuring that we survive and thrive on Mars and beyond. It could be the driving force that allows humanity to become an interplanetary species. AI could also dramatically change how we address global challenges here on Earth. In healthcare, for example, AI-powered systems could predict diseases before they manifest, providing us with tailored treatments that could prevent illnesses before they even appear. This could completely change how we approach healthcare, moving from treatment to prevention. Beyond healthcare, AI could play a role in solving some of humanity's biggest challenges, such as climate change and poverty. By harnessing the power of AI, we might be able to develop sustainable technologies, improve energy efficiency, and better manage the world's resources. The potential for AI to make a positive difference is truly staggering. Of course, with all this potential comes a range of ethical concerns that we must seriously consider. One of the biggest questions is, how much of humanity are we willing to enhance with AI? Should we enhance our cognitive abilities, our physical capabilities? Where do we draw the line between human and machine? And what happens if only a select few can afford these enhancements? Could we create a society divided between the AI enhanced and those left behind? What about AI itself? If AI evolves to a point where it surpasses human intelligence, could it make decisions that are harmful to us? Could we lose control over the very technologies we've created? These are important questions, and as we push the boundaries of AI, we must ensure that we are doing so with caution and responsibility. There's also the question of AI consciousness. Could AI ever become self-aware? If AI reaches a point of sentience, could it decide to act independently from humanity? These ethical concerns are not science fiction. They are very real issues that need to be addressed as we move forward with AI development. Looking to the future, it's clear that AI will play a massive role in shaping the next stage of human evolution. Will AI help us create a better world, where we live longer, healthier, and more connected lives? Or will it present new challenges that we're not yet prepared for? One thing is certain, AI is not just a tool, it is a partner in humanity's evolution. As we continue to explore its capabilities, we'll need to balance innovation with caution, ensuring that AI enhances our lives without compromising our humanity. So, what do you think? Will AI help us evolve into a new form of humanity, or will it push us to the brink of destruction? The future is uncertain, but one thing is for sure, we are standing on the precipice of a new era. Thanks for watching Science Vault. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI and its role in our evolution, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep evolving.